Let me tell you a secreto. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is secreto, secreto. This is a Spanish noun and it means secret. Secreto is a masculine noun, so you can say el secreto or un secreto. The plural form is los secretos or unos secretos. Now let's see a few examples using this word. Ven acá, te voy a decir un secreto. Ven acá, te voy a decir un secreto. Eres muy exitosa. ¿Cuál es tu secreto? Eres muy exitosa. ¿Cuál es tu secreto? Miguel es misterioso. Guarda muchos secretos. Miguel es misterioso. Guarda muchos secretos.
Secreto can also be an adjective. If you use this Spanish word as an adjective, then secreto can be masculine, secreto, or feminine, secreta. The plural form would be secretos or secretas. Let's see a few examples using secreto as an adjective. El restaurante tiene recetas secretas. El restaurante tiene recetas secretas. Te contaré una historia secreta. Te contaré una historia secreta. Los planes son secretos aún. Los planes son secretos aún. La casa tiene un cuarto secreto. La casa tiene un cuarto secreto.
Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Leave more examples down below using secreto. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!